Introduction to Coding for Kids and Teens with Python, a block-based approach. Chapter 1. What is coding? Coding, which also means programming, is nothing but giving a set of logical instructions to the computer to perform a desired task. So, the set of logical instructions which we give to the computer for performing a desired task is nothing but coding. Why coding is important? In today's world, we want that various objects, meaning items or articles, to respond to our commands or wish that they should behave the way we wish. So we want various articles, objects to respond to our commands or wish that they should behave in the way we wish. We want Google to give information about the required topic. Alexa Echo Dot Google Nest Mini to tell the current temperature, play a particular song, tune up to the required channel, etc. It is here that coding comes into picture. In modern world, coding is used to control various objects that we use in day-to-day life. To control modern day objects, we give instructions to them so that they behave in the same way we desire. They behave in the way we desire. These instructions given to them is coding or programming. Let us go further over to the day-to-day applications of coding. Modern day gadgets such as mobile phones, tablets, laptops, social media sites, online booking of tickets, online payment of electricity bill, water bill, various taxes, collection sites, tax collection sites, online filling of application forms, online shopping sites, online delivery platforms, video games, computer-based games, self-driven cars, robots, barcoding scanning at shop, PIN authentication of ATM card transaction, etc. all use coding so that they can respond in a desired way. Your school must be using smart boards which combines the audio, video, 3D animations so that the various topics can be covered in an immersive way. So for this, what we require in the background is coding or programming. Coding or programming languages. Various programming languages are C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, R, etc. It is an evolving field. New languages are coming daily. Compilers and interpreters. Compilers and interpreters convert the computer language instructions to the machine code which the computer understands and interprets. Okay, so what for we use compilers and interpreters? Our languages, our computer languages resemble local language of the region. For example, they may resemble the English language, but computers do not understand these English-like instructions, English language type instructions, and therefore we use compilers and interpreters to convert the computer language instructions to the machine code which the computer can understand and interpret. Let us go in for some other concepts now. These are the concepts of algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart. Flowchart for getting the biggest of two numbers. So here we are using what is known as a decision point, or here we can say decision box, that is meant for making the selection. This is one more flowchart for obtaining the profit or loss, just to check whether we have made a profit or we have made a loss for well. That is the end of our very first chapter. Okay, we are going to write algorithms, pseudocode, draw flowcharts later once you get all the basic concepts of Python programming. So don't worry if you do not understand this concept at this stage. We have covered in this first chapter is what is coding, importance of coding, applications of coding, coding or programming languages, compilers and interpreters, what is the meaning of algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart. Okay. Some of the important questions are given here. You may prepare these questions if you are having introduction to coding in your curriculum. To subscribe to full video versions of these books, mail me at viveksir.abhinav@gmail.com. These two books will assist students enrolled in CBSE and state boards as they navigate their introduction to coding curriculum. The first book is for the 6th standard students of the CBSE board, and the second book, Python Coding for Kids and Teens, is for 7th and 8th standard students of the CBSE board. Anyone who wants to learn Python can subscribe to this second book, Python Coding for Kids and Teens. To subscribe to the full video version of this book, kindly mail me at my email ID viveksir.abhinav@gmail.com.